In today's competitive and professional environment, it is very important to make the right choice at choosing a profession which will give you the right opportunity to develop and make a great career. What is more important is choosing the right company to work with, a company that will give you the opportunity to grow as well as develop your career. Among the various options available today are jobs in the IT industry, FMCG and retail industry. But are these jobs challenging to keep you excited about your career? It would be a rare sight to see a young individual who would join one of these sectors and go on to become the CEO of it. One has to choose a career in an industry which grows consistently and has a bright future. An industry which would over the years register growth and be beneficial for one's personal and professional development. One such industry which has grown over the period of years and which has a very bright future is the pharmaceutical sector. The pharmaceutical industry is one of the fastest growing industries, and with an increase in the awareness of healthcare, it is guaranteed that the industry will grow by leaps and bounds in the years to come. If research and development is the backbone of the pharmaceutical sector, it is the people who are the heart of this growing industry. Here is where the job of a medical representative is of prime importance. A medical representative, or MR, is a person who bridges the gap between the industry and the consumer and whose work revolves around promoting life-saving drugs. It is a noble profession that helps educate doctors about life-saving drugs and gives you an opportunity to make difference to the lives of people.
Hello friends. Making the choice of joining the pharmaceutical industry is not the only important decision. What is also important in the pharmaceutical industry is making the correct choice in the beginning of one's career. Not only choosing the right profession, but also choosing the right company to start your career is extremely essential. Let me take this opportunity today to introduce Glenmark Pharmaceutical Limited to you. Glenmark Pharmaceutical Limited is a company with footprint all across the globe. We are a family over 7,000 employees in over 80 countries. To help you understand more about the company, I would like to introduce Mr. Arvind Vasudeva, our Honorable COO.
Glenmark in a true sense is a global pharmaceutical company with people being its greatest asset. Our people have driven our R&D efforts and built strong customer relationships and brands. R&D is one of our core strengths. It is due to our consistent efforts of over a decade that we have been able to build a strong research base. We have over a dozen new molecular entities in our pipeline and have signed over half a dozen out-licensing deals with leading multinational pharmaceutical companies. This makes us the most respected R&D companies from India. We have and will be investing our efforts and resources in the areas of R&D and people development. These two factors will in turn build strong customer relationships and brands and will make us a much more successful company in the years to come.
In 1977, the visionary Mr. Gracious Saldanha laid the foundation for one of India's largest business empire, which has today grown to be one of the largest and most respected pharmaceutical companies in the world. Glenmark Pharmaceuticals Limited is one of the pioneers in India in the segment of combination and new molecule theories. Glenmark manufactures and markets generic formulation products and active pharmaceutical ingredients, or API, both in the domestic and international markets. The activities of Glenmark Pharmaceuticals are diverse, but the main area of the focus of the company lies in the manufacturing of active pharmaceutical ingredient. Glenmark has emerged as an international player with a significant presence in branded generics markets across emerging economies, including India. Its subsidiary, Glenmark Generics Limited, has a fast-growing and robust US generics business. The company has presence in the highly regulated markets of the USA and Europe. It has incorporated subsidiaries in the UK, Switzerland, the USA, and Brazil. The organization is rapidly making a mark across various geographies and continues to grow at a faster rate. Glenmark currently employs over 7,000 people across 80 countries. Glenmark Pharmaceuticals Limited has its headquarters in Mumbai, and along with its subsidiary Glenmark Generics Limited has 12 manufacturing facilities in 4 countries and has 5 R&D centers. Over the years, Glenmark Pharmaceuticals Limited has achieved numerous awards and recognitions in the pharmaceutical industry. Glenmark Generics Limited, a subsidiary of Glenmark Pharmaceuticals Limited, was incorporated in 2004 and has branded generic formulation interests in over 80 countries across the world, including India, Europe, Brazil, rest of Latin America excluding Argentina, Russia, CIS, Africa and Asia. The formulations business spans several product segments such as dermatology, internal medicine, respiratory, diabetes, pediatrics, gynecology, ENT, and oncology. The company has a state-of-the-art manufacturing plant at Goa, India, that has been inspected by US FDA, TPD Canada, MHRA UK, and many other overseas regulatory authorities.
Glenmark's India formulation business has been one of the strengths of Glenmark as a global company. With over 3,500 employees all across the country and with our growing domestic business, we are expanding our strength of the employee year after year. This would give young talent an opportunity not only to work with Glenmark but also to build their career. I would now introduce Mr. Rajiv Sibal, Senior Vice President, India Formulation, to address you.
A medical representative is the heart of Glenmark India business. We lay great emphasis on the medical representative as the brand ambassadors of our company. India formulation business covers most of the therapeutic segments with a clear leadership position in many therapeutic areas. Our diversity into the pharmaceutical business is one of our core highlights. This gives opportunity to people to work in various segments and specialties. As you are all aware, that the recession was one of the greatest blows the economy has given in the recent times. Nearly all the industries, FMCG, banking, service, manufacturing, and many more were affected by it. But it was the pharmaceutical sector that withstood the recession. We have doubled our business in the last 2 years. As the India economy grows, we believe that business at Glenmark will reach new heights. Glenmark India formulation business is expected to be a 1,000 crore business in the coming year. Development of any industry showcases the fact that the people working in it are also moving towards development. We aim at being in the top 15 Indian pharma companies in the coming 3 years. Today, the fact that we are recruiting fresh talent is a witness that our business is increasing and the opportunity for young talent to make a career with Glenmark is immense. I would like to share with you that most of our divisional heads, including myself, had started our career as a medical representative and have grown in the industry. I wish you all the very best for your future.
At Glenmark, we firmly believe that every individual who works with us will progress and develop. We believe in creating a career path for all individuals and giving them growth opportunities at various stages. Being a global company, we give opportunities to employees to work at our overseas operations. Our presence in most of the therapeutic segments ensures that our employees work in different divisions, which in turn increase their exposure in the pharmaceutical industry and add to their personal development. At Glenmark, we also believe in recognizing performers and developing people. The Glenmark Center of Learning is a center dedicated to the development of internal employees. We lay a strong focus on our internal employees taking up leadership positions within the organization. We ensure that all our performers are not only monetarily rewarded through a transparent appraisal process, but we also recognize their contributions by providing them with opportunities to travel to exotic locations, domestic as well as international. All employees are given their statutory benefits at Glenmark and the company has always focused on doing more for the employees in terms of welfare and benefits.
At Glenmark, our employees are our greatest asset, and we have always believed that nurturing and nourishing our employees is the key to our success. We have aimed at our employees not only growing professionally but also personally. Our prime focus is learning and development, and we provide the best-in-class training to our employees so that they may excel in whatever they do. We always honor our performer through various rewards. The Star Award is an event which is a moment of pride for our performers when they receive recognition from the senior management of the company. Development of our employees is done mostly through internal promotion, wherein we develop our employees to take on leadership role within the organization. Being a global company, we also encourage the employee to work overseas at our international operation. I now take this opportunity to showcase some of the success stories at Glenmark.
Being a medical representative at Glenmark has numerous opportunities, and there is no limit to growth. Young individuals who have chosen to work here and have joined this company as their first job have not only developed themselves but made their careers. Glenmark has many such success stories, and here is just one of them. Mr. B. Suresh Kumar joined Glenmark in the year 1987. As a young individual, all that Suresh wanted was to work for a company. Making a career in the pharmaceutical industry was never at the back of his mind. Once he started working, and as time flew by, his work was recognized and he felt that he could develop himself at Glenmark. Suresh Kumar not only received recognition for his contribution to the company, but also got opportunities to develop himself. He was given higher responsibility, and from then on, he never looked back. Today, Mr. Suresh Kumar, who joined the company as a medical representative, has become a general manager at the organization.
The time when I joined the pharmaceutical industry, not a lot of people opted to get into this field, but I felt that this job would provide me the opportunity for personal growth. Today, I have completed 24 years working in this industry, and not a single day has been the same. Every day comes with a new opportunity, and this has allowed me to grow over these years. Joining Glenmark was a stepping stone for the growth in my career. Working in a company which recognized my efforts and enabled me to develop myself.
Having joined Glenmark over a year ago as a SBU head, it gives me great pleasure to share my experience with all of you. Would like to share 3 distinctive employee benefits that I have observed in Glenmark. A. Glenmark is a people-centric organization, provides an enriching working environment, pays you well, and takes good care of the people working for the company. B. In my 20 years of experience, have observed that one of the pain points for any employee is his appraisal process. Would like to state that Glenmark operates a very transparent and objective appraisal system that I have ever come across in the pharma industry. C. The organization consciously works on the overall development of its employees. There is a unique system of development centers which serve 2 objectives: competency development and career enhancement of its employees. In addition, the employees are put through a number of internal and external development programs. Having spent more than a year in this company, will vouch for the employee-friendly values and policies of the organization. Glenmark is a great company to work for, and you would certainly enjoy working here.
We are a vibrant, innovative, and fast-growing international company that values individual performance and teamwork. We do not offer jobs, but nurture careers. At Glenmark, you can expect to get enough exposure, challenging assignments, and opportunities that will sharpen your talents and help you embrace new capabilities. Glenmark Pharmaceuticals Limited. Come, be a part of the revolution.